Hi, I'm just doing a quick video on my Audi S3 8L seats. If your suede is looking a little bit like this, okay, and you want them to look a little bit like this, yeah, nice and smooth. Tools you need are one Gillette razor and simply apply the razor on the affected area. Obviously be nice and careful, and it will loosen the larger pieces up. Then once you've done that over a bit of time, get yourself a de-bobbler. Most grandmas have these. You can get them from any sort of, like, if you go on the internet. Again, let's go over the affected area. They do take batteries, so sometimes we can eat away at batteries. But after a bit of time, it is getting there. You've got to keep going all different ways, across, up and down, side to side. Get that de-bobbler working, and hey presto, your seats will eventually look a little bit like these. Cheers.